what's going on?
Look, they all together. The machine is called.
Maybe you haven't found the right machine for this. Let me show you something better from Radar Packing. Comparing to ordinary gummy counting machine, this model has made 4 improvements, especially for sticky gum. The first one, Special Wolf 2 Stick. Unlike common Wolf 2 Stick, this one has many long teeth that are made of stainless steel. So when the gummies enter the hopper, it can separate the ones that are stuck together. The second one, Anti-Stacking System. For this system, there is a roller that's made of PTFE, which is a high-performance plastic known for its non-stick properties. This roller can be customized according to the size and the shape of the gummies. When the gummies are approaching the station, it can prevent them from stacking together before entering the counting and shaking channel. The third one, Teflon dimple panels. After the anti-stacking system, it comes to the station with the dimple panels. All surfaces in contact with the material are coated with Teflon, preventing gummies from sticking to the equipment, ensuring accurate counting and easier cleaning. The fourth one, the large PTFE discharge port. Since the gummies are usually big and sticky, it's easy to clog the discharge port. In order to solve this problem, this machine is specially designed with the bigger PTFE discharge port. Small adjustment, but huge difference. With these 4 features that address the specific challenge of a sticky gummy, the whole process of counting, bottling, and packing of gummies is so smooth and accurate.